lovelies, welcome back to Lola's recipe. To all my subscribers, both new and old, I want to say big thank you for all your amazing support. Thank you so much for your support. I do not take them for granted. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you how I prepared this chicken stew. This stew is so delicious. If you want to know how I prepared it, please keep watching. Here I have some fresh jumbo chicken. Next I have peppers, bell peppers, chili pepper, onions, garlic, and fresh ginger. Next I have some seasoning here: tomato paste, chicken stock powder, curry powder, thyme, salt, bayleaf, and nutmeg. Next I have some plum tomato. You can use fresh tomato if you wish to, and oil to fry. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to season the chicken. I have my chicken here nicely clean. I will go ahead by adding some salt, some chicken stock powder. I will add dry thyme, curry powder. I will add some nutmeg, bay leaf, and here I have this all-purpose seasoning. If you want to know how I made this seasoning, please let me know in the comment section so I can upload the video, or I can create a video for that. So I had my chopped onion. I will just mix this together, and I'm going to allow this to marinate for about 30 minutes before I will start to boil the chicken. Yes, I'm going to set this aside. While waiting for the chicken, I will go ahead by blending the peppers and tomatoes. I've already washed my pepper and cut them into smaller sizes. So I will be blending this pepper right now. And I will pour the pepper into a separate pot. I'm going to parboil this pepper. Alright. Yeah, the chicken is already boiling after 30 minutes without water. Now I'm going to check the chicken if it is ready. At this stage, the chicken is ready, and next I will add oil into a fry pan. It is time to fry the chicken. So guys, once the oil is heated, I will add some onion, ginger, and bay leaf. This is optional, okay? This will add some aromas to your fried chicken. Next I will add the chicken. I'm going to fry this on a medium heat until it is golden brown. Then I will take it out. For this chicken, I added about 3 pieces of fresh turkey, which I used during the Christmas, just really left in the freezer, so I don't want it to remain there. I decided to add it to this chicken. So at this stage, I will take the chicken out from the oil, and I will repeat the same process with the remaining chicken. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using jumbo hard chicken. I love jumbo hard chicken because it had a lot of flesh than the regular hard chicken. It is very nice if you season the chicken very well. You're going to love it. So I'll finish frying the chicken. In a separate pot, I will be using the same oil which I used to fry the chicken to fry the stew. I will just sieve the oil to remove any dirty from it. Now I will add some diced onion. I'm going to fry this onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next I will add the boiled pepper. I'm going to stir this together. Then I will add a tomato paste or tomato puree. I don't love using too much of tomato paste in my stew or in my food. I don't like it, so I just use that quantity. If you need more, you can add to yours. Next, I will add some bay leaf, and I will add the chicken stock. Right, so I'm going to stir together. I will add some stock powder. I'm using chicken stock powder. I will be using 1 teaspoon of curry powder and dried thyme. I don't like too much of curry or spices in my stew. When it's too much, I don't like the taste. It totally changes the taste of my food. Now I'm going to cover and bring this to cook for about 20 minutes, while we'll be stirring this every 5 minutes, so make sure that doesn't get burnt. So right now, 20 minutes later, you can see the stew has changed color. But we're still cooking the stew. At this stage, I will add some salt, just a little bit of salt. Now I will add the fried chicken. Once I finish adding the fried chicken, I'm going to allow this stew to cook for another 15 minutes. If you prepare your stew this way, even if you don't have a fridge, this stew can stay outside fridge for days, for weeks, without getting bad at all. Alright guys, 15 minutes later, the stew is ready. At this stage, I'm going to get a spoon now and take out the excess oil from the stew. I normally use this oil to prepare yam porridge or beans. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support this channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, please stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye.